Today we're heading to Morocco and exploring Marrakesh. If you've just visited Spain, the best country to visit right after is Morocco. You can find cheap flights for around 30 euros if you're traveling with hand luggage only, and the average flight time from Madrid to Marrakesh is only 1 hour, so that's where we're headed today. From the airport, I headed straight towards Riyadh Dia, an amazing and well-located hostel with swimming pool and free breakfast for only 9 euros per night. I had never stayed at a hostel before until coming to Morocco, but I was happy to discover how cheap, social and amazing these places are. After getting to know my new roommates and getting over my initial nervousness, I headed into town with my newfound friends. Just outside the hostel, we found ourselves in Menara Gardens, which is the city's main square. People here were a bit hostile to being filmed, so I had to be a bit more discreet than I'd usually be. Here you'll find many restaurants, street sellers and snake charmers. We decided to take an exit near the north of the square and head into the souk, where we'd been told you could buy absolutely anything. From food to exotic spices, antiques, carpets and even witchcraft supplies. We didn't see that last one though. The city of Marrakesh was founded in the 11th century by the Almoravids to serve as the capital of the empire. It was conquered and passed hands many times, always remaining one of the most important cities of what is now Morocco, in direct competition with Fez. In a way, you could say that Fez dominated the northern regions and Marrakesh the southern regions. In modern-day Morocco, however, it was Rabat that was chosen to become the new capital. We then headed to the famous Koutoubia Mosque, which is the largest in the city, and looked for a taxi to take us to the Menara Gardens. In this particular case, Menara actually denotes a building facing a very large basin which receives water from the mountains located outside of Marrakesh. Its purpose is to irrigate the surrounding gardens. In the past, it was also used to train Muslim warriors to swim from Morocco to Spain, in case of a shipwreck or lack of ships. We ended the day with a short visit to the Bahia and El Badi palaces, and then I went back to the hostel as I had to get up early in the morning for a very special excursion. To find out where I went, don't forget to subscribe for the next episode. I promise it'll be worth it. Let's continue the voyage in the next episode.